So in terms of people whom you're inspired by, or can you list 3 people you're inspired by, and also
There's so many people that I'm inspired by, so it's kind of hard to make a list. And well, on the top of the list always seems to be Lisa Crispin. And one of the reason why I'm inspired by her is not that she knows so much about testing, or that she's the somehow the leader in the agile space, but it's the humility that she has as a person, and kind of like the positive approach to sharing and caring and learning together. So there's a lot of aspects around that I really appreciate. Then in the kind of the developer space, there's some really cool, particularly ladies, that I like to follow. So I'm kind of thinking, like, I'm having hard time mentioning just one name right now. Like, there's this group of women that I've ended up following, and they're kind of like just building on top of each other. So it's that's kind of like one area where I have a lot of names. Kind of like I want to see what these people are sharing. Maybe if there's one name in that space, I think Coraline Ada Emke is one that I definitely love, and her stuff around kind of working in technical teams and doing things in that space is super inspirational in many ways. And I don't know, like usually my most inspirational people are the people that I work with, like like my colleagues. And one of my colleagues, Tatu Aalto, he works with the robot framework, the Selenium library, and it's kind of cool, to go to work and have these little they're not arguments, but more like discussions around what kind of things happen in the open source community, and what kind of things you do to improve those tools, and how that actually has an impact on whatever we're ending up doing. I think that's fascinating and interesting whenever you have someone who's so willing to talk about things and build on top of those.